Okay, here's a little tutorial on surfboard repair. Uh, this board had extensive damage to the nose and it had a poor repair job. They filled it with some sort of plaster or something. So I used a grinder and a razor and I got out got it down to a pretty solid point as far as the glass and the foam. And so what I want to do is fill this void here of the nose with foam and resin, and then I'm going to cover that with fiberglass. So I got the tape and I put the elevated the board so that the resin will, or the mixture, the resin will kind of fill. It'll take a few coats. So I'll show you what I'm using here. Here's the filler to create kind of the foam. I mix that with this is laminating resin, so I got to mix a little bit of surfacing agent with that to make it into sanding resin, because that's what I want, sanding resin. So first I'll mix up the laminating resin, surfacing agent, and the Q cell, get it to the consistency I want, and then I'll add the catalyst, because once that's in there, you're kind of on the clock. And anyway, I use a respirator with cans, gloves, and clean up with acetone. I got squeegees, and I use this for measuring the surfacing agent. All right.